Coco, do you know what today is?
BoxyCharm.
It's not. It's actually Ipsy Day, but it's also BoxyCharm because we're going to film that next. But right now it's Ipsy. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. That's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, today we have Ipsy purple bag and it says, you got this. You got this. I'm going to go off of the first thing that I pulled up on my phone. It's a lipstick from Complex Culture Pout Clout Nourishing Lipstick in the shade Legend. $24 full size. The last lipstick I got with BoxyCharm, I got it broken and I was gonna email them and tell them because I really liked the shade, and then I never did and I just threw it away. So let's hope this one is not broken, and she's like a pretty, I don't know what I would call this shade. I'll swatch it because I do like this shade. Oh, it's creamy. She's pretty. She almost looks a little berryish when you swatch her. She's pretty. I want to wear this now. I'm not going to. I'm not going to do it. And it has that magnetic thing that NARS has. I think a lot of other companies have that now too, but NARS has it, or used to. Okay, the next one is Cupid Cheek Duo from Natasha Denona. I do have the Cupid palette. I actually got one in BoxyCharm and then I got one in Ipsy. So I have one for sale on Poshmark because, oh, I got an email. Anyway, I got one on sale on Poshmark because I don't need two, obviously. She's pretty. OM frickin' G. So this is $42 full size. Fall in love with this crush-worthy cream blush, vibrant blah blah blah, chili powder or chili pepper shade. Y'all, everybody is sick. I mean, it's been rough in this house, not gonna lie. Paired with a luminous highlighter that works together so perfectly. Okay, apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks and sweep the highlighter over your cheeks at its highest points. Let's see. Oh, that's creamy. It is creamy like a lip balm. Creamy. That's creamy. That is creamy. Look at this. So we did a declutter. We actually did 2 declutters. So I'm trying to post it all to Poshmark, but that means Coco did get a lot of stuff. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the color payoff for that cream is really saddening. The highlighter, gorgeous. The color payoff is, I'm gonna try to just blot more on there. I don't think for a person of color, that's not, I'm disappointed now. The highlighter, let's blend the highlighter in so we can see. Okay, so that's the highlighter blended. It's pretty, but I'm really disappointed in that. Let me try it again. I'm digging in there, y'all. I'm digging in there, and I'm feeling like this is not something that I love. And I also feel like I'm not gonna wipe it off just yet, but I feel like it's not gonna dry and it's just gonna make me look really oily and like greasy. That's disappointing. That's just, okay. Carrying on. Okay, the next thing, Saturday Skin. It's not Sunday, it's Saturday. I picked this, I was excited. Now what pissed me off, let me tell you, you know you go in and you pick your choices, right? And I go in and they had an eyeshadow palette for like your first thing that you choose. It was a couple of things and one of them was an eyeshadow palette. And I was like, that's a pretty eyeshadow palette, I like it. I picked it and they were like, oh, this isn't available. And then it like refreshed and took it away and I was like, not cool. That's not cool. Anyway, I did get this, and this is, what is this? Rub-a-Dub. It is a refining peel gel. Okay, so it says cleanse and pat your face dry. Gently apply to the face and rub in a circular motion for 1 minute. Rinse clean with warm water. May be used twice a week. Let's smell it. Okay, this is $28. It is full size. Papayas and pineapples. So y'all know papayas and pineapples are exfoliants. I don't know. I don't really smell anything. But I do use papaya soap. My Filipino soap that I use every day is bar soap and it's actually papaya. So excited. I'm going to try this after I wash all of this off my face. So the next thing we have is Fruit Butter Lip Mask, and I felt like you can never have too many lip masks, right? You're always gonna use them. They're always gonna work, especially like recently we've all been very sick, so the kids' lips have been very dry. Somebody coughing in the background. So I'll like sneak in their room at night and I will put some of this on because their lips get so dry. Anyway, This is $25, full size lip treatment. Say goodbye to dry and chapped lips, blah, blah, blah. Sleep away, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it has some stuff. Luckily, I have some little scissors here and I can cut it off. So it looks like it's in a metal tube, like the medical grade kind of tube. I don't know what I'm saying. Like, you know what I'm saying. If you got something from the doctor. But it's not metal, it just looks metal. And then it has this puncture thing, which is dumb because why do you have that? Because there's that thing, you just pull it off. Oh, it's got a color to it. Oh, let's see if this dried. This did not dry at all. This did not dry. It's not gonna dry. I'll leave it on there for a minute, but I don't think it's gonna dry. Okay. Ew. Can you tell? It's like, I don't know. Like it's settled or it's like separated because it's oily. Like the oil started coming out, but then you have this lip mask thing. It has a smell. Ew, I got some on my nose. I don't know what that smell is. Fruit butter. I don't know. So I would say like you're gonna have to do that. It has a very oily texture to it. I'm not mad at it, just saying. That's this, and it was $25. Let's go to the last thing. This box is not a disappointment. It's not like a yes, like that. The BoxyCharm, the BoxyLuxe. Yes, this is just okay. I'm very disappointed in the blush, but it's all right. Okay, last thing we got. I did something with it. Oh, it's right here. It's glass. Okay, what is this? 10% lactic acid solution. Brighten it from clarity. $60 value for this little tonic here. Don't let your dark marks and uneven skin tone get you down. It does get me down. It really does. Brighten up with this gentle exfoliating toner that enlists the help of alpha hydroxy acid to reduce your dark spots and discoloration. Use it at night on clean skin. Apply a small amount all over your face and follow up with moisturizer afterwards. Let's smell it. I hope this smells like medicine. I hope it smells like chemicals so that I know it's gonna work. Let's smell this. I don't smell anything actually.
Do
you smell something?
we drink it?
No, you don't drink it. Definitely never drink it. Never, never, never. Okay, so I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna use this and I definitely love this. And the highlighter is gorgeous on this. We got something else, right? No? Yes? Oh yeah, this. Happy about this too. So this is not one of those bags where I'm like, oh, well, it's just an okay bag. No, I'm happy with this bag. I feel like I was like super anti-skincare for a long time. And over the past few months, I've been like, you know, give me some skincare. Let me try because I feel like as I get older, clearly ain't nobody getting younger. I feel like as I round the corner to being 40 years old, I am definitely looking more into skincare. I'm not getting my Botox done like I was, and I have to rely on myself to try to keep this up. Anyway, that's the stuff we got. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye. Say bye, Yaya.
Bye. Bye.
Good job. Okie dokie.
Yay, hard. Okay, I got it. So push it in. Oh my god, it's never hard.
You okay back there?
No.
No.
Mama, not all the way.
Nope, not all the way. That's fine.
Is it for your lips?
Nope, for your eyes.
Is it for my lips?
No, don't put it on your lips. Cleanse and then pat dry your face. What are them lips? Damn, some shiny lips. So it looks like it would be metal. You good back there?
No.
You sure?
No.
No? Okay, don't put it on your hair.
I don't know why I'm doing this to come on my hair. I don't know why I'm doing this to come on my hair.
Yeah, don't put it on your hair. Hi.
Hi.
You tell everyone hi, Yaya?
Hi.
Did y'all tell them about school? Do you like school?
No.
No. Why? Well, I thought you liked school now.
But I didn't.
But I didn't. Why? I thought you have friends now. Y'all, it was rough in the beginning. We're only on like week 2. This is our second full week of school, and it's going so much better. They're doing very well. Especially Yaya Bear's doing very well.